Hey, good morning. My lavender plant has bloomed and now it's time to harvest it. So first time, I'm glad it's finally bloomed and put on my bug off spray. Put it out here. Keep bugs off of me. I love how it smells too. Haven't tried my bug off spray. Give it a try. This is my little personal little mini one I bring out. Give it a try. It does work. Killed a couple mosquitoes just spraying it. Alright, let's see if we can get in here and do some harvesting. You can see where the new ones are coming in at. They're beautiful. There. So I have to harvest them to let them grow out. We have to get a bigger container. Oh my goodness, you guys have to smell this fresh lavender. Oh my God. It smells better than the essential oil I have in there in my soap room. There are different types of lavender. There's a French, a Spanish, and lavender is used for a lot of different purposes. You'll see it in your soaps, you'll see it in your lotions, your body wash. It has antibacterial properties. It's good for your skin. It's good for healing. It's good for relaxing you. It's good for well, it smells wonderful. Makes perfumes smell wonderful. Lotions, you know, the scent of it. But it's very soothing. I like to use it in my body washes, my bath bombs, bath salts, and especially in any of my my products that are for stress relief and healing. We planted this, I think, last spring. And we got it from, oh gosh, I can't even think of the name of the store out there on 54 West. I will share that with you though. It was a wonderful store. Oh my goodness, it smells just like lavender. And anybody that knows me, because I'm not a woodsy, outdoory person, but I'm getting better with that. I love nature. Just don't like some of the things that are out here with it, like bugs. But I'm told if you don't bother them, they won't bother you. The plant's looking better already. It's not looking as wild. To me it looked wild, but that's part of the growing process, what it looks like here. Sweet. Looking on this other side. Let's get to get these done. Are they beautiful? I don't think that one's ready yet. That one has not really budded. It's all my fresh lavender. Oh, some information I read on the almanac was too that the lavender, bees love lavender, and so this is actually also food for them. And so it's good to be able to assist with nature and feed the bees. And butterflies love this too. And they're good for your garden because they help, morning. They help keep, let me show you what this looks like now. They help keep the bugs away, because they don't particularly like lavender. But this is what I got here. Now I'm going to have to get it ready for drying, and I'm going to cut it down some more, the ends, and get it ready for drying. Okay.